We are now into section 4.8, day 1, which is mainly a section about application problems. So we're going to take a lot of the stuff that we've learned throughout the first unit in chapter 4 and this unit and put them together, get some things going for solving some real-life problems. So for today, you're going to see a lot of problems similar to what you've done in applications in previous classes. So there are going to be some things in this lesson that are fairly straightforward, and then there are going to be other things that are tricky in terms of getting things set up. But a few things just to run you through today. One of those is converting from DMS to decimal form. Now this is a little review from the beginning of chapter 4. This was in 4.1, but just wanted to take a real quick minute to go over this. So degrees, minutes, seconds. Normally we have our angles, and if they're degrees, they're in decimal form, so like 3.25 degrees. We'd rather have it that way because that way we can use our calculator to help us out. So if you see something like this where it's 15 minutes or it's 36 seconds, if you see those things next to the numbers, a minute means 1/60th of a degree, and a second is 1/60th of a minute, so 1/3600th of a degree. So we're just going to be converting from those. Now, how you would do that is like with this 35 degrees, 15 minutes. That's the same as 35 degrees plus 15 over 60. That's where our minutes are going to come into play, because a minute is a 60th of a degree. When we're talking about something like this down here, where we have seconds also involved in it, so number 3 would be like 23 degrees. And then as far as minutes go, that would be 30 over 60, because they're 30 minutes. And then there are 36 seconds, and that's 1/3600th of a degree, so that's 36 over 3600. And then once you have the fractions, you just add them together and you get the decimal number for it. So that's just a real quick run through of DMS to decimal, because there will be a couple problems where they give you the description of the problem in DMS, but you need it in decimal form in order to use your calculator to help you out.